video, I will be attempting to showcase some of the traditional ASCII art for beginners in particular. First, that was Neofetch, which is a decommissioned ASCII fetch for terminal art. Now cpufetch, now ramfetch. There are other fetch tools as well, ifetch, and then change this to whatever your network interface is called. Don't worry, it will not show you your public or even your private IP necessarily. Now Fastfetch is actually a newer replacement. Ifetch, depending on who you are, might also be appropriate for your case, but it is not usually the default. Neofetch and then Fastfetch. Fastfetch, I believe, is compared to Neofetch. I'm not sure if one's in, I think it's Shell rather than Python, but Fastfetch, I believe, is written either in C or C++, making it all so much faster. Now, this is going to be a list of logos that I'm piping to list. This is for Fastfetch. And back to the pipe to less, and then now insert the logo name, or to have no logo, just say none. Keep in mind that not all logo names are available. Like, you cannot have a Debian old logo because that doesn't exist. And as I keep performing these commands, if you like this type of content, please consider liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing. And thanks for watching Hack the YouTube Algorithm, and until next time, signing out.